Write a short note on exceptions to the rule of majority rule in Foss versus Horbottle. The rule of majority established in the case of Foss versus Horbottle provides that the internal affairs of a company are generally governed by the will of the majority of shareholders. However, this rule is not absolute to protect the interests of minority shareholders and prevent misuse of power by the majority. Company law recognizes certain important exceptions. These exceptions allow minority shareholders to approach the court and seek relief even against the wishes of the majority. Ultra Wires Act, an act that is ultra wires beyond the powers of the company, cannot be ratified even by a unanimous vote of all shareholders. Where the majority attempts to approve an act that is beyond the objects or power of the company, any shareholder can bring an action before the court to restrain such act. Example, if a company formed for manufacturing goods starts engaging in activities beyond its memorandum of association, any shareholder may challenge such action. Fraud on the minority. When the majority shareholders use their voting power to secure benefits for themselves at the expense of minority shareholders, it amounts to fraud on the minority. A resolution may be challenged if it unfairly discriminates against minority shareholders or gives undue advantage to the majority. The courts will intervene to protect minority interests where the majority acts dishonestly or oppressively. Acts requiring a special majority. Certain matters under company law can be approved only by passing a special resolution. If the majority attempts to carry out such acts without passing a special resolution or by passing only an ordinary resolution, any shareholder may challenge the validity of such action. Examples include alteration of the Memorandum of Association, alteration of the Articles of Association, reduction of share capital in certain cases, wrongdoers in control. Sometimes the persons who have committed a wrong against the company are themselves in control of the company. In such cases, they may prevent the company from filing a suit against them. To avoid injustice, the law permits minority shareholders to bring an action on behalf of the company. This is known as a derivative action. The court may allow such an action where the wrongdoers control the company and prevent legal proceedings from being initiated. Importance of these exceptions. The exceptions to the rule of majority are important because they protect minority shareholders from oppression, prevent abuse of power by majority shareholders, ensure legality in corporate actions, promote fairness and good corporate governance, safeguard the interests of the company as a whole. Conclusion. Thus, although the rule in Foss versus Harbottle recognizes the supremacy of the majority in the company management, the law provides important exceptions in cases of ultra vires acts. Fraud on the Minority Acts requiring a special majority and wrongdoers in control. These exceptions ensure that majority power is not exercised arbitrarily and that minority shareholders receive adequate legal protection.